Have you ever wondered how a free-to-play game like Fortnite has managed to become a billion-dollar phenomenon? Well, it's all about a brilliant business model and a dedicated player base. When you hear the word Fortnite, the first thing that might come to mind is a group of teenagers doing the floss dance or perhaps even a heated online battle. But what stands behind this cultural phenomenon is a financial powerhouse that has redefined the gaming industry. Fortnite, developed by Epic Games, entered the gaming scene in 2017 and quickly took the world by storm. Despite being a free-to-play game, it has managed to generate billions in revenue, outperforming many of its competitors. Take, for instance, the popular game Call of Duty. A staple in the gaming industry, it operates on a traditional model where players must purchase the game upfront. Despite its popularity, Call of Duty's annual revenue pales in comparison to Fortnite's financial success. Or consider the iconic World of Warcraft, a game known for its subscription-based model. Despite having a dedicated player base willing to pay a monthly fee, World of Warcraft's annual revenue also falls short when compared to Fortnite. So how does Fortnite do it? The secret lies in its in-game purchases. Fortnite offers a wide array of cosmetic items such as skins, emotes, and battle passes that players can buy. These items do not provide any competitive advantage, but they allow players to customize their characters and stand out in the game. The result? A dedicated player base willing to spend money on these cosmetic items, contributing to Fortnite's staggering revenue. Furthermore, Fortnite's successful use of collaborations and partnerships has also played a significant role in its financial success. From Marvel superheroes to popular musicians, Fortnite has effectively used these partnerships to keep the game fresh and exciting, further encouraging players to spend money in the game. In summary, Fortnite's success can be attributed to its innovative business model and its ability to keep players engaged and willing to spend money. Despite being a free-to-play game, it has outperformed many of its competitors, becoming a financial powerhouse in the gaming industry. Fortnite's success story serves as a reminder that in the world of gaming, financial success isn't always about the price tag. It's about understanding your player base, providing them with an engaging experience, and offering them value for their money. So, the next time you see someone doing the floss dance or hear about the latest Fortnite update, remember, behind the cultural phenomenon is a billion-dollar business that has redefined the gaming industry.